Joint efforts between republics hold paramount importance in the present-day global landscape where interdependence for economic and social advantages is indispensable. A lecture that was delivered by Dennis Francis, the president of the 78th session of the United Nations General Assembly.
Africa, a continent characterized by its vibrant cultures, diverse landscapes, and unparalleled biodiversity, finds itself on the front lines of many challenges, not the least of which is the battle against the triple planetary crises of climate change, biodiversity loss, and pollution.
The Vice-Chancellor of the University of Nairobi, Professor Gitahi Kiama, highlighted the institution's commitment to advancing multilateralism and plans to establish partnerships with international universities to bolster multilateral education efforts.
The university continues to interact and engage with other partners out there to see how can we train a student with a global perspective.
Dr. Korir Sing'oei, the Principal Secretary of the State Department of Foreign and Diaspora Affairs, commended the university for its significant contribution to fostering public dialogue on diplomatic and international relations matters.
I am equally grateful to the University of Nairobi for its ongoing partnership with the Foreign Service Academy within my ministry to facilitate public discourse on topical issues in diplomacy and international relations.
The former UNGA President underscored Africa's struggle with climate and environmental challenges, warning of potential repercussions if this was to be left unaddressed.
Only through collective action, driven by empathy, innovation, and a commitment to justice for all, can we hope to forge a path towards a more sustainable and equitable future for Africa and the world.
The attendees of the lecture acknowledged the urgency of addressing environmental issues on the African continent.
Africa is greatly making steps towards combating climate change. The only issues are in financing of certain mitigation measures.
The Africa We Want 2063 agenda has been highly endorsed as a suitable timeframe for the African continent to achieve its great aspirations.
Agenda 2063 provides the blueprint and a good direction that we can follow, but it's going to take a lot more effort from the different stakeholders to especially guarantee the sustainability of that vision beyond the drafters of the document.
If the African continent utilizes its rich resources and its youthful population, then the African Agenda of 2063 is not just a dream, but an accomplished goal. Reporting for UNC TV, my name is Jeff Ian.